Why does my heat pump switch between heating and cooling? Because a heat pump can move heat both ways, and the reversing valve changes the direction depending on the thermostat setting or automatic controls. A heat pump is a machine that does not make heat the way a furnace does. Instead, it moves heat from one place to another, kind of like a refrigerator that can work in reverse. In winter, it pulls heat from outside air and brings it inside. And in summer, it takes heat from inside your house and pushes it outdoors. The part that makes this switch possible is called the reversing valve, and it is the reason your system can change between heating and cooling. Some systems also switch because the thermostat is set to auto mode, which lets it decide when to call for heat or cool based on the temperature you choose. A little known fact is that many heat pumps can use backup heat strips when it is very cold, so the system may feel like it is changing behavior even when it is just helping itself keep up. If your system changes at odd times, that can point to thermostat settings, wiring issues, or a valve problem. A good first step is to check the mode setting, lower or raise the target temperature a little, and see whether the unit is responding normally. One common mistake is thinking the system is broken every time it changes modes, when sometimes it is just doing exactly what the thermostat asked it to do. A quick tip is to check whether the thermostat is on auto instead of heat or cool only. Another thing to watch is short cycling, which means the unit keeps starting and stopping too often, and that can happen if the thermostat is in the wrong place or the filter is clogged. A simple fix is to keep the filter clean and make sure the thermostat is not near a sunny window or vent. People also forget that a stuck reversing valve can make the unit feel mixed up, like blowing warm air when it should cool or cold air when it should heat. If that happens, the best move is to have a technician test the valve and the control signals before the problem gets worse. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.